Hi, I'm Kelly, and today I'm going to show you how the appointment scheduler works within the MotoREV Shop Marketing Program. Once you enroll your repair shop in the MotoREV Shop Marketing Program, one of our account managers will go through each of the program settings with you to ensure that the program fits your shop's needs. First, I'd like to show you how your customers would be able to book an appointment directly from your shop's website, utilizing the features of MotoREV. We'll use our demo shop, Kevin's Auto Garage, for this demonstration. From the home page, you simply click on Book an Appointment and enter your contact information. Your customers can choose to be contacted via text or email about this appointment. MotoREV will then send a reminder as well as a thank you message after the appointment is completed. If your shop has any amenities, like a rental car or shuttle, you can display those options here. Your customer can enter their reason for the appointment here, then click the calendar icon to choose a date and time for the appointment. Let's go ahead and select the 16th. Now you can see what time slots are available to book. I'll go ahead and choose 9 a.m. One more click to confirm that I am not a robot, and then submit to complete the appointment. Now I have the option to add it to my own calendar, which really helps to cut down on no-shows for the shop. Now let's take a look at how you can manage these appointments within the MotoREV Shop Marketing Program. Everything is managed here in the Business Control Center, which your account manager will guide you through. To adjust the appointment settings or to view any upcoming appointments, you can click on the Appointments tab at the top of the page. When you see a red circle with a number here, that indicates that you've received new appointment requests. In this case, we have received 2 new appointment requests. We'll take a look at those in just a few minutes. Within the Preferences menu, you can designate how you'll be notified of any new appointment requests. We can send an email, text, or fax to you and your staff. Here you can designate how we send an appointment reminder to your customer, either via email or text. If you select email and text, this allows your customer to choose which method they prefer. And at the bottom of the page, we can preset the times and days of the week that you would like to accept appointments. You can customize your hours for each day of the week if you want to. You can also set how far in advance your customers can book appointments and how many appointments you'll accept per hour. Now let's take a look at those new appointment requests. I can click on the Upcoming tab for a quick view of all upcoming appointments. The green check mark next to the appointment indicates that the shop has viewed the appointment request and selected to confirm it. The orange question mark next to the appointment indicates that this is a new request that the shop has not yet confirmed. I can click on the customer's name to either edit or confirm their appointment, and I can also create a new appointment here if I have a customer call the shop or walk in and request a future appointment. MotoREV makes it easy for your shop to manage all of your appointments and send out those reminders on your behalf. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the dashboard, where you can easily see how much revenue was generated from your appointments. Looking at month to date, the shop has had 9 appointments created, 3 of which have been completed, and those account for $510 in revenue for the shop. For more detailed reporting, I can click on the Appointments tab under the dashboard and see how those appointments were created, either directly from the shop's website or from emails like a service reminder or our monthly newsletter that MotoREV generates on behalf of the shop. And that's how you use the MotoREV Appointment Scheduler. I'm Kelly, and thanks for learning about the MotoREV Shop Marketing Program.